I'm Jeff Burch, Director of Product Management for Video and Control for HARMAN, and I'm here talking about the new Varia touch panels that we've just launched. So Varia is really a break from our existing product line of touch panels. We've had some of the best touch panels in the AV industry for decades, and this is really that next generation of breakthrough touch panel. And while they work as existing G5 touch panels, they work as a Sendo book panel, so you can do all the things you've done with the current touch panels with these new Varia panels. They have a couple of new tricks. One of those is being a Zoom room controller or a Zoom room scheduling panel. But really interesting is the ability to do a web kiosk mode. So you could have a server serving up your web interface, serving up your user interface. This is an example here. You just point the touch panel at that URL, and now you get a professional web-served video right into the touch panel. On top of that, it's a standard Android panel, and we allow you to write your own Android applications and load those Android applications directly onto the panel. We're working with a number of partners that are already in the process of porting their Android applications over to the Varia touch panel, so it's much more open than any of our previous touch panels, and really any competitive touch panel in the market. It comes in a few flavors. There's a slim mount, 5.5 inch and 8 inch on wall. And then there's an 8, a 10, and a 15 inch multi-mount, we call it. This panel and this panel are actually the same panel. You can either mount it on the wall, or you can attach a nice little web stand to it, or you can attach this swoop stand to it. This lets you mount it at 3 different angles for whatever application that you have. So these are all shipping now. They're available today. So now I'm going to talk about our new N2600 Network AV product line. This is really the highest quality, lowest latency, most feature-rich network AV solution on the market today, bar none. You've got installation choices. It comes in wall plates. This makes for really nice, easy installations. And it comes in a box format as well. The wall plates have USB-C, which is great for modern computing connections. The box has some extra tricks to it. Not only is it a high quality, low latency network AV stream, simultaneously it produces an H.264 or H.265 stream at a lower resolution. So if you're doing something like delivering a presentation to a room full of people, they can be seeing the high resolution screen. And if you want to record that to a Panopto or a YouTube channel or something like that, right in the same box you can send that video to any of those recording solutions or decode it on any PC that has an H.264 decoder. So plus it brings all of the great things people expect in an SVSI network AV product, things like local play and host play, the enable tools, the end command for mass deployment and configuration. So we've kept all of the best parts and augmented it dramatically. Now, coming in a few months, there will be a firmware update to the network, to the boxes, that will give you Dante capability, but not just Dante, but Dante AV compatibility, which means you can use Dante controller not only to see and route your audio streams, but also see and route video streams. So really flexible, really, really good price point, and massive amounts of features.